Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change plan in HBO Max on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your HBO Max application, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if you want to change your plan in a HBO Max account, just go ahead to your profiles here at the top right, and after go to the option which is subscriptions. Just go ahead and we'll find out here the change your plan option. Just go ahead, and as you can see here I use the mobile plan guys, which is only 49 rupees per month. And if you want to change it, you just have to scroll down. There are a standard option and premium options. If you want to change it to the standard, for example, you just have to tap on it like this. And when it's already a frame, you just have to tap on continue, and the next step you just have to finish it for the payment guys by tap on this subscribe. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.